Did you know that you can make something like this at home with just a few ingredients? Today's recipe is very simple. I'm going to be showing you how to make a very moisturizing, softening and hydrating hair treatment with just a few ingredients at home. Keep watching and give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're new here. Let's proceed. Now to start making the treatment, we will be needing a few ingredients, starting with the first one, which is okra. I will be making use of fresh okra, as you can see here. So I'm going to select a few of them and I'll be washing them. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm just going to make treatment for only today. So just make sure to wash and rinse your okra thoroughly to remove dirt and impurities. My okra are really dusty, so I'll rinse them 2 times in order to make sure that they are clean. Okra are amazing because they produce mucilage, and they also help to soften our hair, moisturize, and make our hair more manageable. So if your hair is dry, you experience a lot of dryness and breakage, then you should consider adding ingredients like okra, aloe vera, or something with slip. So the next ingredient we have is hibiscus. Hibiscus is powerful. It has many benefits for our hair. Hibiscus has been used for centuries to treat various hair and scalp problems like chronic hair loss, alopecia, bald spots, and hair thinning. So if you have any of those and if you would want to grow your hair thick and also treat scalp issues, then you should start using hibiscus to your hair care routine. The benefits of hibiscus are really wide. If you use them continuously, you will get to see the amazing benefits. So right now I'm going to add the ingredients to a pot, starting with okra, and then I'm going to add some hibiscus. There is no any measurement. I'm just scooping any amount. Hibiscus are really rich in color and nutrients, so even if you add a few of the flowers, they are going to work perfectly. So I just added, and then now I'm adding some water, about 1 cup. Again, as I said, I'm not going to make a lot of treatment just for today. And now I'm going to cover them and transfer them to a stove and allow them to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Usually you don't need to cook this for long or for so many minutes, because if you cook them for so long, you will end up destroying important nutrients. And hibiscus and okra, they don't really take long to boil, so within 5 minutes they are okay. You can just go ahead and remove them from heat and allow them to cool down. As you can see, I let them to cool down, and right now I'm just going to use my hand to squeeze out. The reason for doing this is to make sure that all the nutrients get out from okra and hibiscus, just to extract all the goodness. As you can see, the color is really amazing for hibiscus. I just really love how it came out. And now I'm going to be straining out using a piece of cloth. Just grab anything that you have, as long as it has tiny holes. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if this is the first time coming across my channel, consider subscribing and also Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new hair growth video. So now this is just leftover. I'm going to throw it away, but you can reuse it again. Keep it in the refrigerator, and then you can just add water to make another hair treatment. And right now I'm going to transfer to this applicator bottle so that I can be able to apply on my hair. Just because this one is slimy and it's not thick, it's runny, you just need to use something like this applicator bottle so you can apply faster on your hair without any mess or wastage. And this is how my hair looks right now. I just washed it. My hair is very clean. There is no any product. I washed, shampooed, and conditioned. And right now, I will be using this as just as a mask or something to soften my hair, to make my hair more softer and to detangle it so I can be able to style my hair. So how to use this? You can use it as a leave-in if you want, and you can also use it as a detangler, a pre-poo, or and a pre-poo. Yeah, that's what I mean. So for right now, I will be using it as a pre-poo just to detangle my hair more. And then after that, when I'm done applying, I will just cover my hair with a plastic bag for a few minutes, like that minute, and then I will just rinse off with water only. This treatment is beneficial for both scalp and hair. It can act as a DHT blocker. It can also act as a scalp treatment to treat scalp issues like inflammation, dandruff, and also to help lock moisture to your hair. So if you decide to use it as a rinse off, or you decide to use it and then wash it, then you need to make sure you cover your hair with a shower cap for at least 30 to 45 minutes so you achieve all the benefits. If you decide to use it as a leave-in, it's okay because it is not drying. Okra is not drying. Also, hibiscus is very moisturizing. And because of the sleep that it provides, then you need to apply something like a leave-in conditioner so that you get all the amazing benefits and so that your hair will be more softer. That way, your hair will retain moisture for so many days without drying out. So as you can see, I applied from on all sides of my hair and all the twists. Once I apply, I twist the section back and then proceed to the next section. And like I said earlier, I will be using this as a rinse off. I will wash it off after I apply. So once I'm done, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. Thank you so much guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.